Back to my channel and happy Sunday to everyone. So in my previous video I explained you how to switch CPU modes, speed modes between the base, that is the silent mode, and also versus the performance mode, which is the balanced mode. Okay, however I failed to show you on how to switch your CPU speed mode from either of these two, silent or balanced or performance, to turbo mode, which is the max CPU clock speed mode, that is known as turbo mode. So I actually failed to do that in my previous video. So in this video I'm going to explain you how to switch to turbo mode from either of the latter modes that I showed. Okay, and let's quickly begin. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to open up an application called as Armory Crate application, which is over here. Okay, so there is a shortcut, guys. Okay, I will just click on just now and open this application. So this is the ASUS inbuilt application that allows you to manage different components of your gaming PC. And if you own this PC, like ASUS TUF dash F15 gaming PC, if you have one, okay, like me, you need to understand how to switch the CPU mode to speed mode to the turbo mode. That is because uh, obviously you will purchase this laptop for gaming purpose or some extensive professional purposes. Okay, if you are a hardcore gamer, to run all those 4K games, you need to enable the turbo mode, which is over here, and which currently says this mode is currently unavailable on your PC. Okay, and how do we enable this? We are currently on performance mode, which is the balance mode, which I was talking about before, and there is a silent mode too, which the PC runs on a very basic base clock speed of your CPU. Okay, uses the base clock CPU speed. Performance is the balance, that is the mid range, and the turbo is when your CPU reaches to its max clock potential speed. All right, and so first and foremost, guys, you need to do some steps within your BIOS. All right, so I will post those steps on the description box below, since I can't show you because I'm currently, as you can see, running the screen recorder. Okay, because I need to reboot and this screen recorder is going to stop. All right, so I'll just read out the steps in front of you now. So you just need to go to the BIOS menu using the F2 key. I mean, before you turn on your computer, you just need to keep tapping F2 key, function 2 key, and it will take you to the BIOS setup page uh, in your ASUS laptop. And then you just need to go to advanced menu and just go to CPU configuration, and then just you need to select power management, and then you just need to enable the turbo mode there, and then just save the changes and continue booting your computer. Okay, with the set configuration. Once you do that, this turbo mode, you will be able to then enable the turbo mode using the Armory Crate app. Right, however, still you would not be able to enable this by default. Okay, that's because my current charging level is almost going to drain up. Okay, because this consumes more power, your battery power. You need to make sure you plug in your charge power cable, okay, to your power port within your laptop. As soon as I do that, let's quickly do that. I will plug in my battery adapter, plug into my socket just now. Right, as soon as I do that, what will happen is my laptop is just going to begin charging. Okay, just hold on. So as you can see, guys, now my laptop has begun charging. All right, as soon as I did that, you can see here the turbo tab has gotten enabled. All right, which means we are ready to enable the turbo mode. Now how do we enable the turbo mode? It's simple, guys. Like I explained you in my previous other video on how to switch modes between silence and performance, okay, using just key combination. You need to just press and hold the function key on your keyboard. At the same time, what you need to do is press the F5 key. Soon as you do that, guys, it will start switching your CPU speed modes from whichever level you want. Now currently we are at performance, guys. I'm just pressing the both the keys at the same time, okay, and it's automatically changing, guys, without me moving the mouse cursor, okay. As you can see, just now I'm just repeatedly switching the modes using the key combination function plus F5 key, right? And as soon as I did that, I was able to successfully switch the CPU speed modes from silent to performance to from performance to turbo. Okay, and what's the difference, guys? Let me quickly open up the task manager in front of you, all right? And as you can see, if I go to performance tab, okay, so the basic difference is the speed over here, the speed variation, right? So for example, currently we are at turbo, okay. If I move to performance, it is slightly going to drop its speed, right? Now see, you can see the speed is hovering somewhere around somewhere between 2.4 to 3 gigahertz speed, okay. And if I further degrade the speed to silent, you will quickly see there will be a significant drop in the speed, okay. It's operating at a speed of 1 gigahertz and 2.5 and above gigahertz, okay. So this is how it makes a difference, guys. You can monitor the speed over here under the performance tab within the task manager, all right. So basically it's going to operate at its base level, right, which is the silent mode, okay. And now if we quickly shift again to performance mode, you will see small spike in the level of the way the CPU speed is getting calculated over here, all right. You can see now it's operating at a 2.5 to 3 and above gigahertz speed, right. However, if I quickly move again to turbo, you will suddenly see a more spike in the speed, okay. Because I'm not doing any extensive tasks just now, it's not going to its max potential, which it should go, which is the 4.7 gigahertz speed. It's not touching just yet. That's because we are not doing any extensive tasks, guys. If we maybe probably if we play a game, it is going to hit that level. This CPU speed has, this computer has its clock turbo speed of 4.7 gigahertz, okay, which I have not uh, noticed so far using these switch off modes. I have not noticed yet of I've not known its exact max potential level that it can reach. I've not seen so far. Even after I have changed to turbo, I'm just observing just max reached is 3.7 gigahertz, wherein its efficient turbo speed is around 4.7 gigahertz of clock speed. All right. So that's how you do it, guys. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the support button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet in the next video with more useful content like this. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. All right. Thank you. Tada.